Hello friends, welcome to the truthscorner.com videos. Today let us see which rice is good for weight loss, its benefits with a healthy recipe. Let us start. Rice is one of the staple foods consumed throughout the world and it has a link with obesity and weight gain. If you want to lose weight immediately, cut down the intake of white rice and it may show positive results. Though so many varieties of white rice are available in the market, brown rice is good for weight loss. All the whole grains, including brown rice, are composed of bran and germ that increases its nutritional value, making it rich in fiber and antioxidants. On the other hand, white rice lacks the nutrients and is made to increase the shelf life, improve taste, and make it easy to cook. Now let us compare the nutrients in different rice available and see which rice is better for you. Brown rice is always better in nutrients like fiber, mineral and vitamins. In contrast, white rice is rich in calories and has a negligible amount of nutrients and fiber. It is advisable to consume more of brown rice compared to white rice when you are following the weight loss regime. If you are regularly consuming brown rice, you are taking fewer calories and there is a feeling of fullness for a more extended period. On the contrary, white rice with more calories increases weight and leads to obesity. The blood sugar level is maintained when consuming brown rice, whereas people eating white rice have higher blood sugar levels. Nevertheless, if you consume mixed white and brown rice, it will promote weight loss. Still, only brown rice has shown miraculous results in losing weight. Now let us see the benefits of eating brown rice. Brown rice is not only a rich, nutritious grain, low glycemic food, but also is associated with many health benefits. It helps in reducing cholesterol. It is beneficial for the heart. It also reduces the risk of diseases like cancer, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. It helps in removing the waste through the digestive tract as it is easy to digest. Minerals like magnesium, selenium, iron, and the B vitamins and folic acid are present in brown rice. Now let us see a weight loss recipe of brown rice pulao. This recipe is good for weight loss and is healthy with low carbs. Please note down the ingredients. You need 1 cup of brown rice, half tablespoon ghee or clarified butter, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 to 2 cloves, 3 to 4 black peppercorns, ½ inch cinnamon, 1/4 cup sliced onions, 1/4 teaspoon sugar, 1/4 cup green peas, 3/4 cup cauliflower cut into small florets, 1/4 cup French peas cut it into small pieces, 1/4 cup peeled and cubed potatoes, 2½ cups of water, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder and 1/4 teaspoon garam masala powder. Now let us see the method to prepare the pulao. Firstly, wash the rice and soak in 2 to 3 cups of water for an hour. Then heat the ghee in a pressure cooker. Add cumin seeds. Let it crackle for a few seconds. Add cloves, black peppercorns, cinnamon and fry for a few seconds. Add onion, sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt and fry until golden brown. Add green peas, cauliflower, French beans, potato and fry for another minute. Drain the rice and add to the pressure cooker with water. Add salt, black pepper powder and garam masala powder. Mix well and close the lid and cook for 4 whistles. Remove from fire and let it release on its own. Fluff the pulao with a fork. Now serve hot. Thus I have supplied enough information about varieties of rice and its effect on weight loss. So switch to the healthy brown rice to lose weight and remain healthy. Thank you.